what do I do?
Nothing. Just yun.
So, coffee bun, is
So-
the inside coffee?
Yes. So inside there's coffee cream, and then the outside is coffee crust. So if
This
you
one is peach mango.
peach mango, yes. So we use real fruits, so real mango and peach, and then I blend it up, and then I add the cream cheese afterwards.
How about this one? It says
Triple cheese. Yes, triple cheese. So there are 3 kinds of cheese. So cheddar cheese, quick melt, and parmesan cheese.
Also including the mochi.
This one for savory, more like savory items. Yeah. But if you want extra mochi inside, you can choose the ones on the top. So there are 6 choices, like ube, red bean, matcha, black sesame. This is a visual graphic of what's inside. So ube, peanut butter, and black sesame. Let me know, ma'am, what's your preference? Like something fruity, something creamy, sour, bitter,
I'll get this
coffee bun. Anything else, ma'am?
Just that.
Okay. Coffee? In case you get 3 items, we have a promotion right now for Christmas. So it's only
This is
350.
until when?
We're here until 1 to 7. December 1 to 7 at 1 Ayala. Next week will be at Glorieta.
Oh, okay.
Let me know, ma'am, if you would like to avail our promo, and then maybe keep some for pasalubong to your home.
Maybe if I come back with my friends.
Sure. Okay. Would you like to pay in cash, card, or maybe e-wallets? Okay, cash. Plastic? In case you want to order for Christmas as well, we offer box sets like this one.
Oh,
So box of 4, box of 6, yeah. And then next week
you
I'll
also have a store.
right now we're purely online or pop-up stores or bazaars. So. Thank you. I'll give you 80 change, okay? Thank you. Hi sir, mochi buns. Hello sir, mochi buns. Ito, 50 and then, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Hello sir, would you like to touch the products? Well, they're soft. You might have seen it on TikTok. Thank you, mama.
Take a picture of
Sure.
your social
Sure.
media.
Yes sir. I'll also give you this one. If you want, ma'am, you can just keep this. All our information is found here. It's not there. This is for our single. If you want, you can just take this. You can also scan the QR code for our website. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Pwede mo siyang hawakan, ma'am, para may idea ang texture niya, ma'am. Sige, ma'am.
Bili ako ng ganito.
Yes, ma'am. Anong gusto niyo, ma'am? Peach mango.
Yan ba ang paborito ng mga bata?
Yes, ma'am. Etong tatlo actually. Strawberry, chocolate, and peach mango. Yes, ma'am. Yung dito kasi medyo pang, kunyari, diabetic po or adults.
Ito na lang.
Sige po. Isa lang, ma'am. Okay? Peach mango. Yung pagtatlo kasi siya, ma'am, mas mura siya. May Christmas promo kasi kami ngayon. 350.
Okay na yan. Ano lang?
Okay po. 120 lang, ma'am. Apo. May 20 ka kaya, ma'am? Or if ever lang po. Thank you, ma'am.
Ito lang.
Isa lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Wait lang po sa item mo. Plastic meron na. Thank you po. Salamat.
I want to blueberry cream cheese.
Tsaka anything else?
Yun lang.
Sige po.
Tsaka, magkano yung tubig?
25 isa po. Hello sir, mochi buns. Isang ano daw. Sir, if ever tatlo kukunin mo, may Christmas promo kami 350 lang. So,
Try ko lang.
sige po. 140 plus 165 lang po lahat. Gusto mo cold water or yung room temperature? Room temp lang daw na water. Bali, 165. may coin, sir. Pag di mo kailangan, sir, papalitan ko, ah. Para kailangan din kasi namin ganyan, sir.
Sige, sige, bilangin natin.
Sige, sir. Sige, sir. Para, I help you count as well, sir. Yan, correct. 165. Yung tubig mo, sir, nandito na.
Ito mga 5 lang, I think.
50? Do you mean 50 or 100? Or... Sige, sir. If you want, sir, 100 para I can loosen up yung weight sa'yo.
Bilangin natin kung kaso.
Sige, sir. Diba? I can help you count, sir. Just leave it here, sir. Yan, I can count. Sanay na akong mag-count dito. Sige, sir. Kahit randomly bigay mo sa akin, sir. Yan ako. I-sort ko na rin while ano. Sige, sir. If you want, you can just put it in. Yan ako, sir. Pakita ko sa'yo how I sort it.
Sige,
Nasanay na kasi ako. Tatagal ko na rin nag-sort.
pero ko dati kang nalilimos.
Dati sa kalye, sir.
Sige, lahat na lang kaya.
Bariya po. Oo, di ba? Ayun, ganyan siya, sir. Ito puro piso to, sir. Pero may 25 cents ka dito. Itabi-
Donation na lang yung
Sige, sir. 16 dito, sir.
Iwan ko na lang yung mga ano, 50-20.
Sige, sir.
Ito yung bag na nakabot ko.
Maganda nga yun, sir. Para ano.
Ito na.
Start ko na bilangin, sir. 11 na to yung nandito, eh. Okay ka na dyan, sir? 50 na to, sir. 50.
Ito yung
Apo, yan na yung tubig niya. Hi, sir. Mochi buns po. May sugar free din kami, sir. 60, 70, 80, 90.
Kano yung isang box?
Ano siya? May 500, may 700 po. So,
Ilang pieces po?
4 or 6 pieces. Yeah. Or 6 pieces. I-count ko lang ulit.
Pwede mo siya hawakan dito. Tapos yan na may
60, 70, 80,
Yung sa taas po ganito yung tsura niya.
90. So, may sobra kayo. Balik ko lang yung sobra niya.
Kano isa po?
120 po lahat. Balik ko sa'yo ito. Kasi ito pa yung ano. Kulang pa ako ng 20.
So, huwag lang matcha.
Try ko na yung bigay ah. Yung black sesame.
Ay, sakto. Eh, di yun na yun. 120 na yun. Sir. Hindi na kita bibigyan. Tapos ano. Pwede rin. Black sesame din lang. Ito, sir. Hi, ma'am. Mochi buns. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello, ma'am. Have you seen it on TikTok? Or maybe Instagram, Facebook? What would you like, ma'am?
Anong bestseller niyo?
Ito, ma'am. Chocolate number 1 ko yun eh. Chocolate strawberry. Kasi parang universal flavor kasi ito eh. Oh. Kids man, adult, babae, o lalaki.
We'll take
Hello,
one,
ma'am. Anything else, ma'am?
Yun na.
Sige po. If you get 3 kasi we have a Christmas promo. 350 pag tatlo.
Ano?
At least maghati kayo pa sa lubong iba. Hello, ma'am. Mochi ban. Sa TikTok, ma'am, baka napanood mo na rin siya. Pwede mo siyang hawakan mo, no? Para may idea ka lang sa section mo.
Ano flavor?
Lahat chocolate gusto mo, ma'am? Or
Ano yun? Kasi
pwede mo siyang ano doon, ma'am. I-squeeze mo lang siya, ma'am.
tapos isa pa. So, dalawang tsokolate. Strawberry.
2 and 1, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yung shelf life niya sa
3 to 5 days pag wala sa ref. Longer if nasa ref siya. Pero best recommendation pa rin, syempre, if you eat it as soon as possible. Kasi yung freshness niya, di ba, na deteriorate din.
tao mo natatanggal
Para may pinagdadaanan mo.
How much?
Buti pa nga ito, ma'am, may feeling eh. Hindi kagaya nung ex natin eh. Walang feeling.
Lagyan ng ganyan sa leeg.
Oo.
Purple. Sorry, how much?
350 lang, ma'am.
Dinadala mo sa kwento eh. No?
Meron din ako bitter, ma'am. Parang ex ko, di ba?
This is okay.
Yes, ma'am. Send mo na lang, ma'am. Ay, patingin lang pa after you send, ma'am. Ma'am, if you want to reorder, all our information nasa plastic naman po. Thank you, ma'am. Hi ma'am, Machiban! ano, dalawang choco, isang dalawang choco, isang SP, isang SP. 350. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120. Sakto. Sige. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ibalik mo lang lahat to din. Ayan. Oh, balik mo lahat din. Ito, nakahanda to sa labas.